butter. We will melt it. Let's add our marshmallow, 4 cups. So na guys. Remove nyo sa apoy. Add 5 cups of cereal. So I use Fruit Loops. Fruit. 2. 3. Then you put it in in the pan. So,